how to draw a cymbal. Today we're going to learn how to draw a drum. Let's start off by drawing the drumsticks with a straight line going down at an angle, a small nub at the tip, and another straight line going back up, then a short line to cap it off. Next, mirror that drumstick just to the left at a slightly different angle for the other one. For the drum, draw a wide flat oval under and behind the drumstick. Then, draw another line for the edge that follows along the oval, drops down lower at the tips, and continues to follow the oval shape like so. From the left and right sides of the drum, draw a vertical line slightly inset from the rim. Then, a wide bend connecting the ends like so. Underneath, draw another rim like the top, dropping down at the ends, following the edge, and going back up on the other side. Finally, for some added detail, draw a small circle on the side of the drum here. Then, a line going down at an angle, a small circle here, a line going up at an angle, then another circle, and continue this pattern going up and down until you get all the way to the other side. Lastly, draw some lines going outward from the drum for the noise. And now you've got a drum. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.